Kahapon nga mga bolero, opisyal lang naganap ang first PBA game ni Jimmy Alapag bilang isang ganap na head coach. Kung saan dito, nagawa ng Road Warriors na tambakan ng 39 points ang Macau, 114-75. Matapos pangunahan ni Calvin Alas ang NLEX na may 19 na puntos, 3 rebounds at 2 assists. Pero sa kabilangan ng good ending na to para sa koponan ni Mighty Mouse, sa isang panayam ay sinabi mismo ni Jimmy na bago ang laban, medyo may kaunti siyang alinlangan.
I think before the game there was a little bit of uncertainty because we didn't know their complete lineup. I think from their last tune-up game to tonight, parang may bagong maybe 5 or 6 players. So that's always a cause of concern. I think when you're playing a team like Macau. But again, really happy with our guys' effort. And I think one of our strengths going forward will be just how deep of a team we are. I think we can get contributions from a lot of different players, and we were able to do that tonight.
Pero sa kabila niyan, sinagot pa rin ni Jimmy ang mga nakita niyang rason upang sila ay manalo kontra Macau.
It's almost like going home after your first day of school. You had a good first day, but malayo pa. Still a lot of work to be done. But like I've said, I've been here 9-10 days. Really happy with the group. I think I just love their competitive spirit and their selflessness. We had 30 assists. And to have that many assists in your first game, I think that's just a foundation that we can build on going forward.